Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Sony PS Vita. To start with, we're going to go down to the bottom right there and choose the settings menu. That's going to open our settings menu. And then from there, we're going to go all the way down to the format menu. And then from there, we're going to go to the restore this system and go to restore. And then it's going to ask you to close all the applications. It's going to say, do you want to restore everything? And then after it does that, it's going to say, do you want to actually format the memory card? You'll say, yes, you want to format the memory card. It's going to warn you that it's all going to be deleted and ask you to confirm it. And then once that's done, it will go through its process. And you can see when it pops back up, it'll be like when you just first took it out of the box. It'll ask you, to choose the language and then go through all of the setup. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.